Bookmark Pattern 1. If you love reading, I'm sure you know how valuable bookmarks are. Requirements: cotton yarn, shuttle, scissor, and some beads. We'll start with making a large ring. And then you can see there's a small ring. To start with large ring, we'll do 3 double stitch, 1 picot, now 6 double stitch, 1 picot, 6 double stitch, 1 picot, and finally 3 double stitches. Now pull thread to complete ring 1, ring 2 is smaller ring. We'll start with 3 double stitches. Now join the picot with ring 2, three double stitch, 1 picot, and 3 double stitches. Pull thread to complete ring 2. We'll repeat ring 1 and ring 2 more times to complete first part of our pattern. Complete pattern consists of 3 triangular patterns and 3 chains. Now this is last ring of our first part. 3 double stitch, join now 6 double stitches, one picot, 6 double stitches, one picot, and 3 double stitches. Pull yarn to complete This completes our first pattern. It's first part of the pattern. Now we'll make chain. To make chain, we'll start with 6 double stitches. One picot, one double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, and 6 picots. Our complete pattern consists of 3 triangular patterns and 3 chains. Now we have completed our first part of the pattern. Similarly, we will be making two more triangular patterns and 2 chains. In picture you can see how it looks. Picture shows how flowers and chains are linked. Similarly, we make 2 more triangular patterns. Here we are showing the last string. We'll make the same way as we have done in ring 1, that is 3 double stitches. We'll join it to picot. Now 6 double stitches. We'll join it to first triangular patterns, picot, yeah. We'll join it to first triangular patterns picot. Now I'll make 6 double stitches. One picot, and 3 double stitches. Pull the yarn to complete the ring. Now we'll make last chain We'll start with 6 double stitches. And we'll join with picot of earlier chain. One double stitch, one picot, one double stitch, and join it to the first chain's first picot. In this way we completed our first pattern. In this way our first pattern is complete. Now tie both ends and cut extra thread. You can see a beautiful pattern. We can use it as bookmark, and we will add beaded dangle to our pattern. Add 4 pearls on yarn to make a dangle. We will make a ring with 3 beads. Move beads near shuttle. Make first double stitch and second double stitch with bead. Again one double stitch. Then add bead. Similar way we'll add all 3 beads. Last one double stitch. Pull yarn to complete the ring. One bead we had left earlier, we'll tie a knot over it. The simplest way to add a dangle, we'll join it to one of the picots. Beautiful bookmark is ready. Either you can use it or you can gift it to someone. Now, abbreviation and steps. Thank you for watching. Keep tatting. Subscribe to learn more.